Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the accountancy subject over here. So, as we are dealing with the fourth chapter of your accountancy, it is what recording of the transaction part 2. Now, most probably, whatever the recording of the transaction part 1 and part 2, which is there in your syllabus, it contains maximum marks. So, most probably, if you do both the chapters perfectly, you can get clear with this subject, but remaining also is as important as these two chapters as well. So from this chapter, third and fourth recording of the transactions, you are going to get maximum marks. So for these two chapters, you are going to give more importance as compared to the others. Most probably more than 40 marks you are going to get from this chapter, these two chapters. 40 to 50 marks you will be getting from this chapter. And now even some extent we may get extra questions from this chapter. So in your mind, there should be that from third chapter, that is what recording of the transaction part 1, and part 2, the fourth chapter, you are going to get maximum marks. You are going to give more importance to these two chapters. Okay. Then as we are discussing, the third chapter got over. Now the fourth chapter, the subsidiary books of accounts, what we are going to see in this chapter. In this, most probably we are with the first concept of cash book. In that cash book, we saw the single column cash book, double column cash book. After that, the next concept which comes over is the petty cash book. What is this petty cash book? We are going to know now. Here, most probably, few of the transactions which take place in our business are very small as well. Very small means just like if you are purchasing any of the stationaries and all, or any of those normal things, in that you require more of the things, more of the transactions and less of the amounts over here. Just like for posting any of the documentations or telegram or else carriage, inward outward means bringing the goods in and bringing sending it out goods in the carriage, or one more is convenience. Convenience means transporting the goods from one place to another place. That is what one of the activities normally we where we are going to get a small expenses over here. Just like if you are purchasing the stationery and all, normally it is its cost is very less. Now it is repetitive in nature. Small things what you require, it is repeated. Most probably it is repeated. Now most important thing what we are going to know from this is how we maintain the petty cash book and for what purpose we maintain the petty cash book. See, maximum time for small transactions, just like purchasing stationery and all the things is not good small amounts to maintain in the cash book. Why? Because there most probably the big amounts will be taken over. Small for small expenses to maintain this, we most probably will go for the petty cash book over here. So let's see what exactly it means over here. See, in every organization, large number of small payments such as convenience, cartage, postage, telegram, or other expenses collectively recorded under miscellaneous expenses are made. Maximally in by naming miscellaneous. By naming miscellaneous expenses, we record this all transactions. We never take it individually. On cartage 500 rupees you have spent, okay, or stationery 700 you have spent. These all things we are not going to take normally in the any of the accounts. This under the miscellaneous account, so and so expenses made. So what happens over here is we will not have any of the accounts, separate accounts for this, and even we require to maintain all the expenses over what you are making. So for that purpose we make a petty cash book for small expenses to be recorded for that purpose most probably. Then actually in our organization there are large number of transactions and small amounts are there, means every small amount for 100 and 100 rupees, 150 or 200 rupees, if you are recording in the cash book or any of the two column cash book or one single column cash book, it is not good. For that purpose most probably we are going to see the petty cash book over here. So next further, These are generally repetitive in nature. Obviously, these things will be repetitive. Now, every time you are not going to bring small things in huge quantity. You will bring in small quantity only. So this will be repetitive in nature. Just like if you are bringing the goods from cartage, okay, cart, what you pull and bring that, or just like small vehicles from transporting goods from one place to another place, that is what even that will take place. So for normal things, just like if you are transferring from here to there, you require 200 300 rupees for transportation. That is what cartage we can call over here, or else convenience, what we call over here. So here, every small transaction day to day you take place. Yes, that every time you are not going to pass it to the this one single column cash book or double column cash book. So it has to be maintained separately. For that purpose, for this normal small amount expenses, we are going to remove this petty cash book. So next, see further, these are the general expenses in nature, repetitive in nature. If all these payments are handled by the cashier and are recorded in the main cash book, the process is found to be cumbersome. मतलब यहाँ पर कॉम्प्लिकेशन ज्यादा होते हैं. छोटे छोटे एक्सपेंसेस आप ढूंढते रहोगे तो ठीक नहीं लगता. What it means, your small expenses what you have done, finding out in a big transactions is not good. For that purpose we are going to remove this petty cash book most probably. Then the cashier may be overburdened and cash book may be very bulk. Obviously, see the cashier, whatever the transaction records over here, he will be having burden. Why? Because small transactions which take place, that finding it out and making the separate calculation is very difficult one. And even the cash book transactions will be bulk in nature, means ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं. It becomes maximum more the number of transactions for that purpose. Then further, the cashier may overburden, that is one thing. To avoid this, large organization normally appoints one more cashier, that is petty cashier. See, for the person, just like one cashier will not be there, one more person will be appointed for petty cashier. Means same as a cashier, only one more petty cashier, means for normal looking after normal expenses, just like this one, convenience, cartage, stationery and all, just like this expenses purpose, to look after this, another petty cashier will be appointed and maintains a separate cash book in order to order these transactions. Such book maintained by petty cashier is known as petty cash book. Whatever the transactions take place in the small amount, there will be appointed a petty cashier for what purpose? To look after these transactions, and this book which has been maintained, naming as a petty cash book. In that, what specifically we are going to see is all the small transactions which take place by purchasing of the stationery and the cartridge and all, that will be recorded, and that are repetitive in nature. One day after or daily you may be recording the transaction. So further, here most probably I will tell you in general. I will not go and stick with the textbook. See, every month, just like you are a petty cashier, every time you will be given small amount of cash. Just like consider 2000 rupees you are being given at a starting of this month. Now throughout this month, just like we are in the December 2020, okay, in this month whatever the transaction take place, you are going to pay from this 2000 rupees. So just like if you have taken cartage rupees 150 is there. Stationery rupees 250 is there. So small amounts, if you are maintaining in the cash book, just like only this cash book, it becomes bulk. Very small transactions will be there and it becomes bulk, small amount. For that purpose, we go for the petty cash book. cash book. And who maintains this petty cash book? Petty cashier maintains this petty cash book. And further, whatever the information is there, this is what monthly once, first day of the month, you will be given the cash and all the transactions will be seen by the petty cashier over here. So this is what the main important thing you need to know here. Then further, just I will highlight the things. The petty cashier works on the impressed system. Under this system are defined, that is what impressed means, what limited. Here, just like I have told you this part, in this what you are going to see here, whatever the transactions which are taking place are limited. Okay, in this system he is going to work. What amount is that? That amount only he is going to make the expenses, pay the expenses. Just like 2,000 rupees is been given to the petty cash book at the beginning of the certain period, the amount is been called impressed amount. This amount is impressed amount. The amount which is been given to him, it is called impressed amount. And when he spends by substantial portion of the impressed amount, say just like 1,780, just as example, 1,780 is spent. Okay, this is what example is been given. He begins reimbursement of the amount spent on the from the head cashier. Means he is going to show this in 1 month, this much he has spent the expenses. Expenses can be stationery, cartage and convenience, whatever the things take place, or other expenses. So this he will be giving to the main head of the cashier, that is what who maintains the cash book. He is going to give him. So what is the remaining amount? That will be carried to the next month and new amount will be assigned for him for the next month. Okay, that is what one of the part here. Then thus he again has to impressed full amount to be beginning of the next period. That is what, with this remaining amount, next month again he is going to get the same work. That is what this may be. Reimbursement may be made weekly, fortnightly, monthly basis. Most probably we may take that as weekly he is giving 2,000, or half of the 15 days, that is what he is giving, or just like he is going to give for 1 month, that is what 1 month what we have taken here. Okay, that he is going to give there. Then this petty cash system is operated. See, in certain cases, what happens over here? In certain cases, petty cash book is operated through the main cash book only itself. Means if you are having less transactions, यहाँ पर समझने की क्या बात है, मतलब अगर आपके ट्रांजैक्शंस कम है तो ये जो है पेटी कैश बुक कैशियर ही मैनेज करेगा. What it means? If the number of transactions are less in your business, this will be handled by cashier only. There is no requirement of this person. यहाँ पर इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. आपके ट्रांजैक्शन कम है तो आपका कैशियर ही ये सभी हैंडल कर सकता है. अगर आपके ट्रांजैक्शन ज्यादा है, लार्ज नंबर पे आपके ट्रांजैक्शंस होते हैं, तो आपको ये सेपरेशन करना पड़ता है. सर्टेन टाइम्स, इन सर्टेन केसेस, मतलब आपके बिजनेस के ऊपर डिपेंड है, ये लार्ज है कि मीडियम है कि छोटा है, उस बेसिस के ऊपर ये डिपेंड रहता है. इट विल बी डिपेंडेड ऑन द basis of your business. It is a small business or large business, on that basis. Then the petty cash book is not maintained independently. So this is what the cashier only will maintain. They will not go for the, means certain businesses, आपको बता रहा हूँ, थोड़े businesses ऐसे हैं वो यहाँ पर नहीं जाते. आपके ट्रांजैक्शन कम है तो कैश बुक में ही रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. अगर आपके ट्रांजैक्शन ज्यादा है तो क्या करोगे आप? पीटी कैश बुक ओपन करोगे और पीटी कैशियर सेपरेटली रखोगे और पीटी कैश बुक में इम्प्रेस्ड अमाउंट के ऊपर वो ट्रांजैक्शंस पे करता रहेगा. दैट वन थिंग यू आर गोइंग टू नो ओवर हियर. देन the petty cash book generally has number of columns and the amount on the payment is payment, that is payment side, is credited beside the one of the another column. So here we are not having any of the specific pro forma specimen for this. So we are going to discuss directly with the problem, and I am going to discuss make the account directly on a board. So what you are going to do, you are going to see these transactions which they have taken place. I will just highlight the transactions. After the highlightation of the transactions, you are going to tell me certain things under which they are going to come. Okay, the amount where and which transactions take place, that you are going to inform me. So this will not be only one way. This I will give you all also the chance to give the answers and even take the initiative in the problem solving. Okay, so see here, when I will take one of the example over here. Before that, normal explanation is been given of the things, just about the performer or specimen. See, even that I will highlight you all what things has to be done over here. See, in petty cash book generally has the number of columns of the amount on the payment side, that is what credited. The first amount, first other amount column, then each of the amount columns are allotted as per the items of specific payments. So which are most common, the at least so here the last column is designed as a miscellaneous followed by a remarks column. So here most probably what we are going to see, here we are going to get this in the separate column. First you will be having one amount column, that is you receive the cash. The head, the cashier will provide you the cash. The petty cashier will receive the cash from cashier, main cashier, that is what head cashier. Then on the dates what the transaction take place, then the particular how the transactions are taking place. Then next one is vouchers, if any you are having that numbers, vouchers numbers means bills, if you are having that numbers bills you are going to maintain that. Then the amount what you have paid, and then the analysis of payment under which you have made the payment, that analysis we are going to get. Most probably in this problem 10 columns we are having, so this will be like just wide one. So you are going to take a full page, use the full page over here. So see here, I will read out the question first. Example, Mr. Mohit, the petty cashier of Miss Samira Traders, received rupees 2000 on May 1, 2014 from the head cashier for the month details.
Sir, it is 2017, not 2014.
I am having a textbook which contains the date of 2014. The book which you are having, that is what new one. Okay, so here whatever it may be 2014 or 17, all the information is one and the same. Okay, let's go over here. See, the one more thing here, the highlighting is what Mr. Mohit, the petty cashier. He is the Mohit is a petty cashier over here, and he works under Samira's traders. He works under Samira's traders over here, and he receives 2000 rupees on 1st May 2014 or 17 from the head of the cashier for the month. Then the petty expenses are listed under the year 2014 or 17. The expenses are there. May 1 he has received the cash. May 2 he has started the payments of the expenses here. Okay, so first on May 2 they have paid auto fare. Auto fare means rickshaw fare for some work which you are using auto. For that purpose they have paid 55 rupees. Then second, courier services 40 rupees. If you want to send something, the goods or not the goods as well, but the documentation as well, you may send in the courier, that is 40. Then postal stamps 105 rupees. Then erasers, sharpeners, pencil, pens 225 rupees. Normal stationery, it comes under stationery. Then speed post charge is 98 rupees. Then taxi fares, that you, as you have gone through the taxi, that is what taxi fares. For some reasons you will be going to the head office, or you will be going to meet the clients and all, that time the transactions take place. So these are the auto fares. Taxi fares, that is 105 plus 90, 195 rupees. Then refreshments, if you have went out and if you have something to eat, that is what, that is how much, 85 rupees. Then auto fare again, that is what repetitive. Obviously one thing in the month, how many times you will go for the head office or outside for the meeting the clients, we don't know. So normally these small expenses take place in hundreds. Okay, for that purpose we are looking this petty cash book. Repetitive in nature means what? Now taxi took place, that is what one got, and next one auto fare repeated now. Then again for the, which are the things which will be repeated, we will see over here. Then register postal charges, if you have made any of the registration. Then telegram, obviously here telegram has been taken over here. Then next cartage. Then computers stationery, computer stationery is 165, cartage is 120, sorry only 25, and telegram is 34, and registration is 42 rupees. Okay. Then bus fare, by chance if you have visited by bus, even that is been given here 24 rupees. Then yesterday call charges, if you have made any of the calls yesterday, normally local is different, yesterday is different, that is what, nearly how much it is, 87 rupees. Then stationery including disinfect, inficient, infectant, disinfectant, it is nearly 60 rupees are there. Then refreshment, it is 45 rupees. Then courier services 40 rupees. Then unloading charges for the way labors 40 rupees you have given, and again the bus fare 15 rupees. So few of the transactions which take place are repetitive. Okay, for that purpose, as the expenses took place, we are going to see here the transactions. Let me start over here. Let's see how many columns. Next 10 columns will be taken over here. Even you all start writing this. First column is as usually cash received. Second is date. See why we are taking the cash received, you know. First, the person, the petty cashier, receives the cash from whom? The head of the cashier. The same we are going to make the expenses. He is going to pay for the small expenses over here. Then particulars. The next is voucher number. The next, amount paid. The payment of amounts what you have made over here. Then next you are having what it is, analysis of payment. Analysis of payments are there. Here we are having certain expenses in that individually on the head. So this many things are there here which are taking place. So this is what the specimen. So what all things are there? This amount received in rupees, it is, date is there, date is 2014 or 17, as you can write over here. Then voucher amount also is in rupees this. Then again further analysis are postage.
Sir, you have written that rupees in voucher number.
Sorry. Then next, telephone and telegram. Telephone and telegram it is. Then next, convenience. It is more convenience means for transportation. It is convenience means transportation. Okay. What it means I will tell you. Convenience means carrying something or someone from one place to another place. Convenience, what I have written here, it has its separate meaning. What it means over here, carrying someone to or someone or something from one place to another place. And cartage also is there. Cartage means it is what? Carriage, trolley. That is what you can say over here. Then what we are having? Stationery, then miscellaneous. And miscellaneous expenses. Okay, so let's get further. So as you have received cash 2000 rupees on 1st May, correct? Yes, you have received cash how much rupees over here? 2000 rupees on the 1st May. The next transaction, first transaction took place, what it is? On 2nd May. What it was? Rickshaw fares, right?
Auto fare.
It is auto fares. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Auto fare. How much rupees it is?
55.
55. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is what? 55 rupees took place over
Yes,
here.
sir.
Then what it means, as what I told you, auto fare means what? Shifting or
Convenient.
transferring. What meaning I told you? Carrying someone or something from one place to another place. Means which you have paid the amount, it comes under the convenience.
Convenient.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It comes in
Next.
convenience.
Next one. What it is? Courier services, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Courier, obviously it is just like the postage only, right? As you are sending
Yes,
from
sir.
the
Yes, sir.
post or private courier services, it depends.
Yes, sir.
But it is just like a post only. Yeah, so here what we are having here? Courier services. Date is 3
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3. Then how much it is cost? 40
So 40
rupees.
rupees.
40 rupees.
And even under a postage only it will be coming, right?
Yes, sir.
40. Next, what it is?
Postal
Stamps. On 4th, postal stamps. Under which it will be coming?
The post.
Postage only.
Postage only, right? 105. Even others can answer me. Even others are present over here. Even you can reply. What is the next one? Erasers, sharpeners,
The
and pencils, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Erasers, sharpener, and pencil, pen, pencil. Okay. So how much it is? 225 rupees.
25.
Under which heading it will be coming, or only here only?
Stationery it will come, sir.
Stationery, right? Stationery is here. 225 rupees. Okay. Then next one. Speed
Sir,
post
speed-
charges.
Speed post.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Post charges, sir.
It is on 6th, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Speed post charges. How much?
98.
98.
90?
8.
98 rupees. Again, it comes under the post only. 98. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next. Taxi fares.
Taxi fare.
On 8th it is. 8 taxi
Fair.
fares. How much?
Rupees
195.
190.
195.
100 plus 95 it is, or how it is?
105 plus
105
90
plus
it is, sir.
90.
5 plus 90. Okay. So what, under which heading it will be coming?
Sir,
The
convenience.
Obviously convenience. Here it is. Sorry, here.
Sir, it is there, left, that there only.
Yes. I'm saying the things. Then next, on 8th got over. On again on the same date we are having one more thing.
Refreshment.
Refreshment.
is, sir.
Refreshment. Refreshment. How much it is amount?
80,
Sir,
85 rupees.
85. Under which heading you are going to take this heading 85?
The last one miss it is.
What?
The last
one after
Last
stationery,
one,
sir.
right. This is what miscellaneous. Under the miscellaneous heading you are going to take the amount of refreshment.
Yes, sir.
Then again what are the others one?
Sir, May 10 auto fare.
Okay. 10 auto fare. Again
Auto
this
fare.
repeated, right? Auto
Yes,
fare
sir.
how much amount?
60
60.
it is, sir.
60. Under which heading you are going to mention?
Sir, convenience.
Convenient.
Okay, 60. Done. Next,
Registered postal charges.
on
Yes,
12th,
sir. 12th May.
register postal charges.
Yes, sir.
How much?
42.
42.
42. Under which heading?
Sir, postage.
Okay, fine. Next,
Telegram.
The
telegram is there.
telegram.
Telegram is there, sir.
The
13.
May 13.
Telegram.
Gram.
How much?
The
34.
34.
34.
And it will be under,
And telegram it
The
will come, sir.
telephone and telegram.
yes,
Yes, sir. It will
34.
come.
Next,
Cartage.
cartage it is, right?
Cartage. Yes, sir.
Cartage, what is the date? 14?
14.
14.
Okay, fine. How much rupees?
The
25.
25.
25.
Now which heading we are going to take this 25?
The miscellaneous.
Obviously,
Yes, sir.
miscellaneous. 25.
Miscellaneous.
Okay, fine.
25.
Then what is the next? Computer
The
stationery.
computer
Computer
stationery.
stationery, sir.
Whichever the stationery comes, it is stationery only.
Yes, sir.
So on 16th May.
16th
Yes, sir.
May. And what is the amount?
160.
165.
165. Okay. 165.
sir.
Under which?
The stationery.
Sir, stationery.
Your 165.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think nearly 2 to 3 minutes are remaining. Just tell me the fast entries. What are the
The
things?
19th
Next is
bus fare.
19.
19 bus
May
fare.
19. Bus
Bus fare.
fare.
How much rupees?
24.
The 24.
Amount is 24.
24. It comes under convenience.
Convenient.
And
Okay.
it is comes in convenience.
Next,
24.
fast.
The STD call
It's
charges.
20.
Again 19.
STD calls.
The
19.
19.
And it will come
Okay.
in
Cost
60.
87.
87.
87.
87.
Which under telecom?
The telephone and
Yeah.
telegram.
Okay. Next,
Yes, sir.
Office
Next,
sanitization
office.
included.
Office
Office.
sanitation, including
Sanitation.
disinfectant.
office sanitation.
Yes, sir.
Sanitation. Sanitation. How much rupees?
The 60.
60.
60 rupees. Okay.
36. 36 plus 24.
This will be coming under miscellaneous.
Miscellaneous.
Okay. Next. 20 after this.
So
20.
22,
Refreshment.
sir.
22
22
refreshment.
45.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
How much
sir.
rupees?
45.
45.
45. Which? Where you will be taking?
Miscellaneous will come, sir.
Miscellaneous only. 45 rupees will be coming. Next.
Yes, sir. Next, for photo
Photo
stating
stating.
charges.
Charges.
Photo
Stating
Stating.
charges.
Charges.
stating charges. Under which you will be coming? How much rupees it is?
Sir, missing.
Sir,
47.
47 it is.
47 means obviously this we are not having. 47 will be miscellaneous only.
Miscellaneous, sir, it is 47.
Okay. Then what about the
Next,
other
Courier
courier
service.
services, sir.
couriers?
28 courier services.
On which date?
28, sir.
28.